Hello folks, Makle is my name, and today I'm going to teach you on how you can create a professional Excel budget document. So first, what you need to create an Excel professional budget document, you need the app itself. Excel, so open Excel and go to your more templates and search wedding budget. Let it load. For me, I'll pick this one to be the one that I'll use. So as you can see, it has already loaded. So you can right click on the start part and then delete. Oh, we don't need this. So as you can see on the screen, we've already one which is already, it's like a template. So on the first column, the thing that we're going to write is let's say tenths. Let me capitalize that. Tenths. Yeah, tenths. The next is sound equipment. Sound. Let's just write sound. The next is what next? In a wedding. Let's say let's just write food. Food. Just a simple one. Flowers. Let it be there. For here we're going to write transport facility for the ones that, for example, limousines, just heavy machineries. Let's say, transport. The next, reception. I think reception fits well for food, so let us write here electricity. That will be hmm, electricity, reception, other. Other, in the other part we can write miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. If I'm not wrong, it's supposed to be written like that. Gifts, it's okay. Photography, we can just write in media. Media. Over here, we can write. This image is supposed to be the last one, so let's just copy that and paste it over here. Paste. Yeah. So over here, we're going to write something else like in a wedding. What are we going to write over here? What are we going to write? Okay, let's say wedding clothes. Just something random clothes. Yeah. So that's good. So on the prices place, as you can see, like it has already been filled. So let's say that tents are around, let's say they're around 30,000. 30,000 is okay. um for music and entertainment it will cost around 10,000. That's okay. No, that's not the actual, so let's say 9,000. 9,500. 2,500. Yeah, that's good for that. For 30,000. We try 29, 500. Yeah, that will be okay for that. Um, electricity. Electricity will just write 20, 20,000. 20,000 is okay. Flowers around for high quality ones, let's say 15,000. That's 150. 15,000. Yeah, transport. let's say hiring vehicles, let's say around 60 vehicles, depending on the vehicles that will be hired. 60,000 is okay. Reception, reception. Around here, people really eat out here. So let's write 20, 25,000 is okay. Yeah, 1,000 is okay. Wedding clothes is not a lie. 10 post up to 30,000. Yeah, 30,000 gifts. Gifts is to be high. So gifts is like 70,000. Media and photography 20, 20,000 is okay for that. Miscellaneous should be around 8,000. Miscellaneous should be around 8,000. So these one, let's just leave it the way it is in the estimated part. So as you can see, the actual has total up to 359,000 Kenyan shillings. The over and under part, it actually shows you with arrows if the price of the actual and the estimated, if it's actually higher for the estimated part or lower. As you can see over here, it's really low, so it is showing on the right direction, something like that. Yeah, so that's the total expenses. As you can see in the wedding budget summary, in a graph format, it has already um, saved or updated itself. If we try and change, for example, as you can see in the miscellaneous part, if we add it and make it 800,000, look, it has already changed itself. Why? Because this one is also moving. As you can see, this one is negative. It's not supposed to be negative. So let's say um, one fifth, or let's say 20 million. Yeah, say 20 million. Let's just exaggerate. That's 20 million. So when we come here and try to mess with these stuffs, it's supposed to actually move accordingly to the way the graph is being changed. Like for example, um, let us first deal with this one. So when you set the wedding date, it will actually show you how many days are remaining. Like now, for example, it's in the year 2025. 8. Let us rub this one. As you can see, it shows 0 days remain because the day itself has already arrived. When you write, for example, 12, when you write 12, and then let the 7 remain, it shows 122 days remaining to the wedding. So actually, that's how you can create something like this, which looks a little bit professional, something like that. So if you don't like this bell thing, you can actually delete it. As for me, you can just let it stick over there. So, and assuming that you don't want um, to use this budget now, for example, that let's say you're creating a budget or something else. Like, for example, me, let's say media budget summaries. What you can do is just add. What I can do is just write media budget summary, and I can change also over here and write media budget summary. It's supposed to actually blend with the way, yeah, something like that, something beautiful, something Wonderful. So, in your situation, if you write in details which are correct, these graphs they will set themselves without any um, efforts. So that's how you create a budget. So in the item expenses, this is where now you write something like rings, uh, jewelry, like something those types. Yeah, in the in the reception part, as you can see, the rooms, hall fees, something like that. You can continue to do all the others over here. Yeah, and then after that part, we can come over here and also keep converting or writing your own expenses. So that's how you create such kind of a budget. And now in the saving part, let's say you want to save, press up over there. You can choose, like me for example, let's say more locations. Uh, this PC, or let me just browse. Let's say over there, I can export it as an Excel workbook, or I can just choose to export it as a PDF book. Yeah. And by the way, I've just forgotten to mention something. If you don't want these other budget lists, you can just right click on it, press delete, and boom, it will do itself again. Delete, and you remain with the main one. Or also you can add a new sheet and also just do it by yourself by just adjusting things like this. If you want to create the same thing, I think you can come over here and draw and just do your things the way you want, or also page layout and just do your thing. Yeah, something like that. So anyways, that's how you create a professional, something that you can present in corporate places, something that you can do with in places and people will respect you so much. There are also other mini templates I know. Of course, you can not only use that, but many, if you just type in the one budget, many of them will load on your screen, and then you can pick any single template that you feel it's good for you. For now, my network is not wanting, so you can just be with what is happening. Anyways, that's how you create such a budget. Um, yeah. Anyways, if this video has helped you, you can just thank me by just clicking the subscribe button, and like the video, share the video to a person who will need the video later, and we'll call it a good day. Anyways, subscribe for more content like these where we learn, share, and grow. Anyways, have a nice one.